Yo, what's up guys, Dan here. Today we're going to be talking about an extremely important topic for concert photographers, the role of social media in promoting your concert photography. As a concert photographer, you have a unique talent for being able to capture the energy and excitement of a live show. But how do you get your work in front of the right people to be able to use that talent? That's where social media comes in. It's a great way to showcase your work. It's basically taken over from what the portfolio was. Not only is it such a powerful tool for promoting your work, but I've also created so many long-lasting relationships and also been offered more opportunities through posting my work online. All those years ago, if it wasn't for posting my work on social media, I wouldn't be where I am now. It's literally afforded me to be able to travel the world shooting concerts for a living. There are so many different social media platforms nowadays for you to be able to promote your work on. There's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, Twitter, I don't know, Threads, LinkedIn. How do you know which one is the right one for you to promote your work? I personally favor Instagram for posting my professional work. I am edging a little bit more into TikTok as of recent, but Instagram always seems to be my main go-to. So it kind of depends on what you want out of this to what social media platform you would like to use. However, I do think it's very important to have a standing on every social media platform. We've kind of gone over and over on the whole, you should be posting the social media thing, but you should go into it with some form of strategy and knowledge. And here are a few tips for promoting your work. The first tip would be consistency. Unfortunately, the algorithm does not favor those who post every now and again. And if you're wanting to get your work in front of the most amount of people, you need to stay consistent with your posting schedule. Find the schedule that works best with you and your lifestyle and stick to it. This can also be helped through scheduling your posts. You can now do this within Instagram itself or Meta. There's also many third-party websites that you can use to schedule your posts. Another tip would be just get to the point. Unfortunately, people don't really have that much of an attention span anymore. That's why you need to get to the point. This is mainly for video-based work, but it also does translate over to photos, which I'll explain in a moment. You have the time it takes for somebody's thumb to scroll to the next post to be able to stop them and pull them in. So you want to lead with the hardest hitting, most interesting part of your video straight away. You also want to keep it as nice and short as possible so you're able to relay the information as quickly and efficiently as possible. And to translate this over to photos, if you are posting a carousel, for example, you want to lead with your biggest, most interesting photos. My next tip would be to post more stories. Whenever you post a new story, it moves your icon to the front of everybody else's feed. So it's keeping yourself at the forefront of their mind. They only last for 24 hours, so you can go crazy with this. A tip for stories will be maybe to use them as a little bit of a vlog. Bring your followers along with you throughout your day, as long as it's kind of aimed towards what you're going to be posting about in your main feed. But yeah, make them feel a bit involved and understand you as a character in your story. If you are a video creator, then raw video is king right now. Short banger clips just grabs the people's attention. And these can just be captured on your phone as well. They don't even have to be captured using a really expensive camera setup. In fact, some of my best performing video posts have been short phone clips. And finally, understand what your audience are following you for. By this, I mean, don't be posting stuff that kind of goes away from your niche or what your usual subject matter is. If you take a hard left turn from the content you usually post, the likelihood is the followers that have followed you for the reason they initially followed you will probably want to unfollow because that's not what they're interested in. Remember, social media is a long-term game. It takes time and effort to build up a following, but the results will be rewarding. Your social media presence can help you land gigs and get more clients. And also, once you get to a level that you can start selling your own Lightroom presets, for example, like I do, link down there, then you have an audience you will be able to market this to. I hope this helps, and if you would like to see more from me, then please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.